7. So today we are going to deal with percents greater than 100%. Percents greater than 100%. So here's the idea. 20% of what number is 15? That is not greater than 100%. But regardless, 20% stands for what in numerical form? Move the decimal over 2, you get 0.2. Of means what, Kara? Times. What number means what, Evan?
N.
Is your name Evan?
Oh, I forgot my notes. I have it.
You forgot.
Answering Evan. Okay. Is means.
Oh, I missed it.
Is means.
Equals?
And 15 means 15. Man, we went through the whole class on that one problem. Now, how do I undo multiplication? You must divide. Not allowed in church, totally allowed in math class, right? So we're going to divide by 0.2, and we get n equals. Brooke, would you mind closing that door as you proceed around? Yeah, thank you. They're having too much fun in history class, obviously. Okay, 15 divided by 0.2 is, like 75 probably. And that's that. Sound good? Isaiah's like, I remember an easier time when life was good, when life was like pleasant, and there wasn't suffering. Okay, now let's try this one. What percent of 140 is 98? What percent? We put what, Sonny?
N.
N? Of? Evan?
Times.
140? Kara? Is Daniel? Daniel's gone. Is. Equals. That's correct. 98. AJ?
98.
Yes, I didn't have to participate on that one. Okay, how would I solve this one? I'm still undoing multiplication, so I'm going to divide. Yep. Not allowed in church, definitely allowed in math class. So, if I have 98 divided by 140, I get some number, right? That number happens to be 70.70, which is, in percent form, 70%. Okay. Now let's work with a annoying problem. These are all less than 100% problems, so that should be reviewed from the previous math, like the old AGED math that you did previously. The pre-algebra. The pre-algebra. You don't remember pre-algebra? It's the one. It's the class you took before this one.
Really?
Yeah, because it's pre-algebra. Just like prehistoric means before history, and you have like the dinosaurs, and they're like, my arms aren't long enough, right?
You're prehistoric?
Algebra? Yeah.
No.
Because Jesus like created it and put it into like they just didn't discover it yet. So I think it was there. All right, moving on. What number? Again, I'll need everyone's participation because there's only like 5 of us, right? Is 160% of 60. Now, they're going to ask you to draw the diagram. Do we like drawing the diagram?
No.
No. But in case you wanted to draw the diagram, which you're free to do, what number is 160% of 60? So if we have 60, is it going to be more or less than 60?
More.
More. It's going to have like a little chunk added to it, huh? So this would be 100%, and that would be 60%. Do I like the diagram? No, it confuses me. So we're going to use real math instead of drawing the picture. Okay, what number? AJ?
N.
Is. Kara
Times
is,
equals.
thank you, 160%. Daniel,
160%.
it's like he exists. It's like he's right there in class. We could even move the computer to his seat to like observe, like, and then when I write over here, he wouldn't be able to see anyways because it would be too far. And then when I write over, it's like you have the full experience. 1.6 of, Evan,
Time.
times is correct. Is not correct. 60, Sonny?
I'll say
60. Okay, much like in church, we do not divide here. Why? Because I already have n equals. There's no reason to divide. I'll multiply 1.6 times 60. Yes? Yes? Okay, so if I multiply those out, I get 96. And that's your lesson. You may begin your homework again.